Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell you a spoken topic, nature. As you know very well, the things surrounding us make us the pleasure, and the things which is already available and gift of God, that is called natural things. And these natural things give and make us nature. Water, air, and whatever tree and all other kinds of things, stones, hills, mountains, these all things make us nature. And natural things are very necessary in our life, and they are God gifted things. God has given us these all the things so we can survive. Water is precious for us. Without water, no living things can live and survive on earth. Likewise, air, we need to breathe. We need oxygen, which is available in our nature, so we can live and we can survive on earth. Likewise, trees are also part of nature, because trees maintain the ecosystem on the earth. Whenever we leave carbon dioxide, they absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, so we can breathe and we can survive. Likewise, so many natural things are there, but nowadays people are destroying the natural things. The name of development, they are destroying all the things. This is not good. If they will destroy these all things, then definitely life will not be on earth. Nowadays, many nuclear bombs, many kinds of bombs are discovered by our scientists. If any country war will be there, and if countries are using nuclear bomb and other kinds of disaster bomb, then definitely earth life will be destroyed totally, permanently on the earth. Nobody will alive. Nowadays, we are using many factories, vehicles, and other kinds of technical instruments which produce chemical and chemical gases. They are destroying air, water, and our surroundings. So many kinds of diseases are occurring, different kinds of virus are creating. So we need to maintain the ecosystem. So people must plant in open spaces, plant trees, and they need to plant new saplings. They will make tree in future. So definitely by this processor they can maintain the ecosystem. But nowadays people are not thinking about such kind of things. These are the essential things in our life. But nowadays people are busy to make money. People are busy to make the development of country, city. Even in villages around, whenever you visit surrounding near about villages, then you will not find the naturality there properly. Like cities and towns, they are also developed. A few villages are there, they maintain the naturality surrounding. So, and nowadays, near about villages, people are making colonies. Some landlord and rich people are making farmhouse there. So they are not maintaining naturality there. Even on big rivers, many bridges are constructed and many dams are made for making the making our agriculture process rate high, and electricity and other kinds of things. Many big tunnels are dug and big tunnels are made on the mountains. So they are destroying naturality. If we will destroy our naturality, then we will not find nature and natural things. So it will be very difficult to survive in this process. You know, in big cities, metro cities, population is increasing day by day. There is no particular space for living. Their schedule is very busy. They are not having time to take proper breath in a proper air, and they no need to visit surrounding. Even they want to visit, but they are not having time to visit natural surroundings. So they are not thinking about it. I would like to say one thing to all: if you are not focusing on such kind of things which is related on our nature, then definitely people will face many problems in future. Nowadays people are facing problems. Some people are aware about it, so they are telling plant new saplings, protect air, protect water. Even you don't need to protect, you have to protect water sources. You don't need to throw garbage near about the water sources and in the water sources. If you are doing this, then definitely you will find essential natural things and you will maintain your nature in a proper way. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करें. यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज इसे सब्सक्राइब करें.